Okay, so I'm about to show y'all how to hoop your sweatshirt before you get ready to embroider on it. I'm embroidering on the front of this shirt. This is my stabilizer. It's the jersey kind of cloth. It's not the super stable stabilizer. It's the thinner one, I guess you can call it. And as I said, I'm gonna be doing the front of the shirt. So what I do is I have the Brother SE1900. So these are the hoops. You unscrew this thing, loosen it up, take that middle piece out. Make sure these are pointing down because this is the way that it's going into the machine, down like that. I put my stabilizer on top of the hoop first, leaving this side out. You want this side to be out, so you slide your shirt on from the other side. That way you're not covering this up when you have to put it into the machine. So boom, that's my stabilizer. Here's the shirt, like I said. I'm gonna slip it on this way, opposite way of those connections that you need to hook up to the machine. So I slide the shirt on, make sure it's in the middle. You're gonna have to put your hands back under to smooth out the stabilizer and make sure it's going all the way across the hoop. Let me see. I try to align it to where well, depending on how you want your design on your shirt. I'm just doing a name like right across the chest. So I try to make sure it's basically just above the armpits of the shirt. Or maybe a little higher, like I said, it depends on how you want your shirt to look. This to me is actually the hardest part of doing the embroidery, is the hooping. Because you got to make sure the stabilizer is on there right and centered, especially when you're doing a shirt, meaning you can't just lay a flat piece on top. It's actually inside of something. So you're not able to actually see what you're doing. Putting it in there. It also has to be enough stabilizer to reach across both sides of the hoop, basically cover the whole hoop. Sometimes I cheat and I don't cover both horizontal and vertical sides. I just make sure I stretch across one or the other, meaning completely vertical or completely horizontal. So I think that's I've got to go a little bit to the right. Let's get it down a little bit. So I think that's, nope, a little bit more to the right. This is average about how long it take for me to get the hoop in there. And I'm a perfectionist too, so mine have to be on point, honey. So let's see. That should be good. Nope. A little more to the right. Put the shirt on the table the straight way. Okay, I think we're good now. Yeah, you could have just said that though.
I didn't want to interrupt the video.
All right, let's see. Pull it down a little bit. I'm trying not to make the videos long because I don't like watching long videos, but this is the actual process. So, let's see. All right, I think that's about as good as it's gonna get. So now, you take the piece that you took out. Hope y'all can see that. I'm gonna get better with my camera angles. So then you put, this also helps you determine whether it's actually straight on there or not. So boom, you put the other part of the hoop on there. And you press it in there. So when it becomes hard to put it in there, you can go on the inside of the shirt and kind of help get it in there better. So now the hoop is on.